guys, good morning. A very good morning from Bokajan. Well guys, after such a long time I'm holding my camera and I am in front of my camera right now and trying to make a vlog for you guys. Well, it's 7 in the morning. I'm gonna have my breakfast and then I will go somewhere else and will definitely make a vlog for you guys after such a long time. So guys, the breakfast is already done and I am well dressed up right now and we are really ready to go now. So yeah. So we are actually going from Bokajan to Golaghat. So it's basically gonna be a ride on National Highway 129. So we are gonna capture the whole journey from Bokajan to Golaghat on National Highway 39. So yeah, let's see how the vlogs comes up. Anyways, hey guys, this is me Abby. You're watching Abby Diaries and welcome back to the channel again. The condition of the road is now good, but I would suggest not to drive very fast because I think you get a lot of cattle in the road, so better to maintain a good speed. Don't try to go too fast, so better you drive safe way. Well, we have just crossed Deupani temple. It's just somewhere there. From here to Santipur it's about I think 10 kilometers. It's a beautiful straight highway, very nice to drive. The road is covered with the dense forest from both the sides, so it's very interesting and very beautiful to drive on the highway. Well guys, we just crossed Silonijan and we are entering the Nambar forest. It is called Nambar Bagan. You can see the forest all around. Well, again from here to Rongajan, the road is covered with beautiful dense forest from both the sides, and you get a very beautiful view from the driver's seat when you drive. So whenever we come and whenever we drive in National Highway 129, we always stop here and try to take some beautiful photographs here because the location is really nice. So whenever you also come and drive on this highway, you stop here and take some beautiful photographs, as you can see. But be careful guys, because this is highway, the cars and the vehicles run very fast here. So better you take care of yourself and take some beautiful photographs here. As you can see, he's also trying to take some photographs, so I'm also going to take some photographs here. Well, we are leaving Karbi Anglong district and entering to Golaghat. We are gonna cross a very famous place. So I'm gonna show you guys what place is this. Well guys, we are in the border of Karbi Anglong and Golaghat district and we are in a very famous place right now. It is called Garam Pani. So it is famous for the hot water pond. It is somewhere there, so we are gonna go and see what exactly is that Garam Pani. So guys, you need ticket to enter in the Garampani. So we got the ticket, so we are entering. Well guys, this is the first time I'm coming to Garampani. I have no idea what's there inside. So yes, we have already entered to the Garampani. We are gonna see the pond. Yes. Okay, I think the location is very nice, very quiet. Very less people are here right now. In fact, I cannot see any people here because I think because of this pandemic, I think people don't come here now. But it's open now, you can come if you want to. The pond is right there somewhere. Well guys, I have no idea whether the camera is showing it or not. I don't know whether you can see in the video or not, but the water is bubbling here like boiled water. So that is why I think it is called the Garampani, the hot water pond. Well, I am in a hanging bridge right now. It's in Garampani itself. Oh, I think you can notice the bridge is shaking right now. It's a very old bridge, I think, made of metal only. You can see the river also. If you want to come here, so be careful because the bridge is really shaking right now. Some kids are here who are enjoying here. I think they have come here with their family. कहाँ से हो तुम लोग?
हम लोग गुवाहाटी से आए हैं।
गुवाहाटी से ये देखने के लिए ना कहीं जा रहे हो?
हम लोग घूमने आए हैं।
घूमने आए, यही देखने आए हो?
ना।
कहीं और जाओगे क्या?
हाँ।
कहाँ जा रहे हो अभी यहाँ से?
अभी यहाँ से जाएंगे हम लोग देवपानी।
देवपानी। ओके, फिर वापस गुवाहाटी। ओके, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है बताओ?
आर्यन।
हाँ? कैसा लग रहा है ये देख के? मजा लग रहा है कि नहीं लग रहा है? लग रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ा ना? ठीक है, ओके। It's a beautiful place for the kids also. They can come here and enjoy here. We're trying to make a Instagram short video. Well, that's it. We have enjoyed in the Garampani a lot. Now we are going ahead. So we are going out from this Garampani. We saw it for the first time and it was nice. Okay. So yes, I heard about it a lot before. So today I got the opportunity to see it. So we already saw it. Now we are going out from the Garampani and our journey continues. So finally guys, we have reached Rongajan. So we are standing in Rongajan right now and the highway continues this way and the town goes this way. The Golaghat town is that way. So we are not going to the town right now and we'll go this way. Our journey continues this way. So guys, I'm gonna finish the vlog here and well, I made this vlog after such a long time. It's kind of comeback vlog. Well guys, because of my busy schedule of day-to-day life, I am not able to make vlog, even though I really want to make vlog for you guys. Well, anyways, if you like the video for whatsoever the reason, please hit that like button and share the video also, and please subscribe the channel as well because that really inspired me to continue my vlogging. So I really love vlogging. And that's it guys. Stay happy, stay healthy until the next one. Till then, see you.